Hello everyone, and welcome to DelftStack. If your favorite Minecraft swords, axes, or bows are severely damaged and about to break, you do not have to throw them away and craft entirely new gear. I will show you exactly how to repair your weapons, keep your valuable enchantments, and restore their durability right now. Let's get started. First, if you have two unenchanted broken weapons of the exact same type, you can merge them together to salvage their remaining uses. Craft and place a grindstone block. Open its menu and drop both damaged weapons into the two input slots. The grindstone will combine their durability, add an extra 5% bonus boost, and output a single repaired weapon. Be careful, because combining items in a grindstone or your standard crafting grid will completely erase any enchantments on the weapons. Next, if your weapon has powerful enchantments that you want to keep, you must use an iron anvil to safely patch the damage. Open your anvil menu and place your broken weapon directly into the first input slot. In the second slot, place the base crafting material that the weapon is made out of, such as iron ingots, diamonds, or netherite ingots. Each piece of material will restore 25% of the weapon's maximum durability in exchange for a few of your character's experience levels. Finally, the ultimate way to fix broken weapons and ensure they never break again is to apply the Mending Enchantment. Mending is a rare treasure enchantment, meaning you cannot get it from a standard enchanting table. You must find it by looting dungeons, fishing, or trading with a librarian villager. Once you use an anvil to apply the mending book to your weapon, it will automatically consume any green experience orbs you collect to actively repair itself forever. I hope you found this guide helpful. Please like, share, and subscribe for more gaming tutorials. Thanks for watching.